It's not easy to find great value for 4 bedrooms and almost 3,000 square feet in the heart of Greenwich. This condo unit is a stunning place to live. Right off the entry is your kitchen and eating area, large enough for modern appliances and a generous-sized table. Enter into the open family and living room area with beautiful hardwood floors and a touch of charm and character. Built-in shelves and a fireplace just beckon you to sit and enjoy the lovely view of the water fountain and lily pond right outside your own private terrace. Don't forget this unit is part of an association with a pool for summertime lounging. Head up to the second floor where the master bedroom suite is located. Upon entry, there are more built-in shelves and a fireplace, making this large, light-filled room feel cozy and serene. One thing I love about this unit is its neutral decor throughout, making it appealing to anyone. The master bathroom has a great shower tub combo and very private. There is also a generous-sized walk-in closet inside the master bedroom. The second floor has another nice-sized bedroom with neutral decor, light-filled windows, and a great hardwood floor. There's also a full office on this floor with built-in desk and shelves. The rustic wood stairs lead you to the third floor massive bedroom. Be ready to be overwhelmed by this space. It has its own walk-in closet and private full bath with a shower stall. You might fight over who gets this room. It's a perfect place to live.